the referee, you know, he's in charge of the game, and he decided what he wanted to do. So, you know, we fall short today.
Coach had conceded coming into this game. Any disappointment conceding 2 against Malta?
Yeah, I'm very disappointed. I'm saying the referee decided the game today. You know, very, very disappointed. That's all I have to say.
Coach, going in at halftime, I feel like St. Catherine was the better team. What did you say to your team to come out in the second half to put away Mona that didn't happen today?
Well, we have more quality. Although this is a very young team. You can look right up to 2025. You will see about it. Probably only 2 of them outside there today. Not going to play 2025. So it's a very young team. But you know, I'm happy. I'm happy with how they play today. But unfortunately, the result go against us.
You say young team, but what are you looking forward to do this year and not looking forward to 2025? What can you do this year in the Manning Cup?
As you can see today, we play well. We really fought hard. Just unfortunate the referee decided the game today.
Right, and what will you say to your goalkeeper in the second half? He seemed to, you know, has lost his confidence. And what will you say to him to get him back up to speed?
Well, he have an injury. You know, we're trying to nurse him, but you know, but I'm definitely on a foot condition again, and the referee decided the game. We play well. We just have to lick our wounds and come back again.
All right, coach. Better luck next time.